Hello. Do you want to make $500,000? Let me tell you how easy it is. It just needs to be broken out. The first thing you need to do is take advantage of the current market uncertainty. The market is going to be dropping, okay? So what you want to do is A, open a Robinhood account. 2, find $60 a day. I don't care what you do. Take that $60 and put it into your Robinhood account. 3, pick a stock or a mutual funds or an ETF earning at least 15% annually. Wait 10 years, you've got yourself $500,000. I know. Whoa. Where am I going to find a 15% annualized return on anything? Well, the further down the stock goes or the index fund, the more money you're going to make on the way up. Let me explain to you. If you have something that is worth $100 and it drops by 50, so you lost 50%, right? For it to go to 50 back to 100, it's going to need to earn 100%. So don't buy it at 100, buy it at 50. When it goes back to where it was, here's 100% gain just like that. So A, wait for the right time. And now is the right time, especially if you're going to be investing on a daily basis, right? The market is going to do this, and then once it finds out, it realizes that we have a problem with the bank, it's going to drop, and recession is on its way, it's going to drop further, and you're going to keep buying and buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. Hopefully it lasts a while, because that $60 a day over 10 years is going to average 15%. I mean, look at some of the other videos that I've shown. I think I did one yesterday, and some of those dividend paying stocks, there were REITs, and there were different, there were somewhere with energy. We're paying almost 13-14% dividend. So forget the capital appreciation, just the dividend alone. And you know what? The return has to be there, right? Because now the market is competing with CDs at 5%, right? So if you want to buy my stock, I got to keep paying you. Otherwise, you're going to dump my stock and you're going to be buying CDs. So they have to make it good for you. So you have to invest. But, I mean, there's no miracle, right? I don't have a secret for you to make $1 million tomorrow, unless you're extremely lucky. But with time and with the right advice, don't forget to join my Patreon account. I'll spend more time with you to explain to you how it works and pick the right stocks. You'll be fine. Remember, you only pick stocks that you understand, that you know what they're doing. We don't have to pick 500 stocks. Warren Buffett doesn't have that many stocks. Okay, he only invests. In fact, he doesn't believe in diversification. He says, I only buy what I understand. So you have to understand what you're buying. Apple, there's nothing wrong with Apple. Nothing wrong with Microsoft, especially if they keep dumping and diving and ducking. So that is my advice to you, to make $500,000 in 10 years, $60 a day.